Hey there, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about Setmore and how it can streamline your business operations. But before we dive into the details, let's take a step back and ask ourselves a question. What's the biggest pain point you face when it comes to managing your schedule? Is it juggling multiple calendars? Struggling to keep track of appointments? Maybe you're spending too much time on administrative tasks instead of focusing on what you love? If any of these sound familiar, then Setmore might be the solution you've been looking for. So what exactly is Setmore? In simple terms, it's an online appointment scheduling software that helps you manage your bookings and save time. Think of it as your virtual assistant, taking care of all the tedious scheduling tasks so you can focus on what really matters: growing your business. Here are some of the key benefits of using Setmore. Online booking. Let your clients book appointments 24/7. Right from your website or mobile app. Automated reminders. Send automatic email and text reminders to confirm appointments and reduce no-shows. Calendar integration. Sync your Setmore calendar with Google Calendar or Outlook for seamless integration. Customizable booking forms. Collect additional information from your clients during the booking process. Mobile app. Manage your appointments on the go with the Setmore mobile app. And much more. Who can benefit from using Setmore? Setmore is designed for a wide range of businesses and professionals, including freelancers and consultants. Easily manage your client bookings and availability. Service providers. Book appointments for hairdressers, barbers, massage therapists, and more. Healthcare professionals. Schedule appointments for doctors, dentists, therapists, and other medical professionals. Educators. Manage student appointments and class schedules. Event planners. Book and manage events and attendees. And many others. How to get started with Setmore. Signing up for Setmore is easy and takes just a few minutes. Simply visit their website, create an account, and start customizing your settings. Setmore is a powerful and user-friendly appointment scheduling software that can save you time and streamline your business operations. Whether you're a freelancer, a service provider, or a business owner, Setmore can help you manage your appointments more efficiently and effectively. So what are you waiting for? Sign up for Setmore today and start experiencing the benefits of having a powerful scheduling tool at your fingertips. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.